Hello! At first I would like to show you how I cut one of my Christmas soaps. It's made with shea butter, with olive oil, coconut oil and castor oil. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free product with a smell of apple and cinnamon. On Christmas tree I put a little bit of glitter. As you can see, they all are handmade because they all are a little bit different. And voila! Now you can see how I pack present boxes. Each person is different, and I think that the same should be with the presents. Every present should be personalized. My present box include elegant towel, soap or soaps, essential oil, bag of flower of lavender. Soap holder is also handmade by us. And you? What would you like to see in this box if it would be made for you? Which soap or essential oil? Please leave commentaries below, and when you like my video, click the thumb up. Bye!